Two friends talking after a long time. John. Hey, Michael, is that really you? It's been such a long time. Michael. John. Wow, this is a surprise. I haven't seen you in years. How have you been? John. I've been good, just busy with work and life. What about you? You completely disappeared. Michael. Yeah, I know. I moved to Leicester City for a new job, and things got super busy. Before I realized it, months turned into years. John, that happens. Life moves fast. But honestly, I really missed our conversations and the time we used to spend together. Michael, same here, man. Those were great days. No stress, no pressure, just fun and friendship. John, absolutely. So what are you doing these days? Still working in marketing? Michael, yes, I'm working as a digital marketing specialist now. It's challenging, but I'm learning a lot. What about you? John, I'm working in the same field, actually. I recently started my own small team and doing freelance projects on the side, Michael. Wow, that's impressive. I'm happy to hear that you're doing well. You always had that leadership quality. John, thanks. I appreciate that. We should definitely collaborate sometime. Michael, of course, that would be great. By the way, how's your family doing? John, they're all good in yours? Michael, everyone's fine. They'll be happy to know I met you today. John, same here. So, are you free right now? Let's grab a cup of coffee and catch up properly, Michael. Yes, I'm free. I would love that. Let's sit somewhere quiet and talk. There's a lot to share. John, perfect. Let's go. Like this video? Then why not follow? Thanks for watching. Stay with us and keep learning more.